Hello, welcome to Coders Coding. In this video, we are going to design the website button. It's very simple only, but most of the students get confused. See, now I will take it as a basic notepad and write the structure of the HTML. HTML, if you open the any tag, immediately close the HTML and then take head. Inside the head, I have to take the title. In this head I have title which is related to the our program. So button I have to take it, close the title, and then here I have to write the button, just button I have to write it. And coming to the body, in the body section I have opened the body a tag and immediately close the body tag, and I have take two tags. One is a paragraph tag. In this paragraph tag I have to give the id as demo. This is paragraph I have to write in between the text. Now here come to take a button and I give the button inline style, button type equal to button, and if I click the button I need to perform some action. So for that I have to trigger the event as a on click. On click is the function by default in the JavaScript. Okay, don't get confused here. So here I have to take document dot get element by id. Most of the students did mistake here. So get E is the capital letter, B is the capital letter, I is the capital letters. Then pass the demo style dot font size. So font size means when you click the button which will be trigger and then appear the text, this is the paragraph will be changed to 35 pixel. That's what I have write in this program. Now save this file. So most of the students get confused. Save the file, go to the drive and choose your teachers folder, and then inside the teacher folder you have to create your class folder. There you have to save the file .html, file name .html. So file name is optional, you have to give whatever you want. Then here you can see here, if I click this one it will be changing the small letter to maximum. This is the way we have to write the program.